Welcome to the Next Level Interiors. Today we bring you the new 100 plus modular kitchen design idea for 2025. If you are planning to give your kitchen a modern and stylish look, this video will help you find the perfect design for your dream kitchen. In 2025, kitchen design is all about style, comfort and smart use of space. Modern homes need kitchen that look beautiful but are also easy to use every day. That's why modular kitchen are becoming the heart of every modern home. Let's explore the latest modular kitchen trend of 2025. From sleek cabinet to elegant countertops, from space-saving drawers to luxury finishes, every design you all see here is full of inspirations. This year, minimal and clean design are trending. People love simple color tones like white, peach, grey and mood finish. This color make your kitchen look bright, finish, fresh and spacious. If you love a bold touch, try adding black matte or navy blue elements. They make your kitchen look classy and unique. Another trend in 2025 is the smart kitchen concept. Many modular kitchen now come with built-in appliances, hidden storage and soft touch drawers. These designs not only save space but also make your kitchen work smoother and faster. Lighting play a big role too. Use warm LED, strip light under cabinet and around shelves. They create a cozy and modern look. For an elegant touch and pendant lights above the island or dining area. If you have a small kitchen, don't worry, we have many smaller modular kitchen ideas in these videos. Use vertical storage, pull-out shelves and foldable tables to make every inch of your kitchen useful. Smart storage design is one of the biggest trends in 2025. For those who love luxury kitchen, you all see many high-end modular design with marble countertops, glass cabinets and under metallic finishes. Gold, copper and rose gold handles are in fashion this year. They add a premium touch to your space. Open kitchen layouts are still popular in 2025. Many homes now combine the kitchen with the living or dining area. This makes your home feel open, social and full of life. You all also see Iceland kitchen design with breakfast countertops and bar stools, perfect for family meals and grand gatherings. Some designs even include built-in sink or cooktop right on the island for extra convenience. If you love nature-inspired designs, wood textures and green plants are trending too. Adding a few indoor plants or herb in your kitchen makes it feel fresh and natural. Wood and stone finishes bring warmth and elegance together. So whether you prefer a small and simple kitchen or a large and luxurious one, you all find every style in this video. From L-shaped kitchen, U-shaped kitchen layout, parallel kitchen, so slant modular designs, we have covered all the modern idea for 2025. Take inspiration for this 100 plus beautiful kitchen design and choose one that fit your lifestyle and home. Each design is made to bring comfort, beauty and smart functionality together. At the Next Level Interiors, we always bring you the latest home design trends and creative interior ideas. If you love explore new style and want more inspiration, make sure to stay with us till the end of the video. And don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the Next Level Interiors for more amazing design videos every day. Your support motivates us to bring you the best interior design idea and modern home inspiration. Thank you for watching the Next Level Interiors, where your dream home design come to life.